Which antiques found at garage sales sell the best? Whether it's the allure of the stories they hold or the secret value it might be worth, there's something about antique items that seems to pique our interest. Now, a garage sale probably isn't where you're going to want to be selling a particularly valuable antique, and you probably aren't going to find a particularly valuable antique at just any garage sale either. Nevertheless, antique items are consistently some of the most popular items at any sale. Like we said, there's just something about them. Just like garage sales, however, not all antiques are created the same. Which ones tend to sell the best at garage sales? Let's take a look. Antique furniture. No surprise here. Furniture is always a crowd pleaser at a garage sale. Antique furniture is often sought after for its value, and even more than that, it can always make for an interesting conversation piece. It'd be tough to imagine an antique table, bookshelf, desk, or any other antique furniture left over at the end of a garage. Not only is antique furniture going to always be a popular item at a garage sale, it's also a great way to attract curious individuals who might just be passing by. Other items are going to be small and only catch people's eyes once they're browsing your sale, but furniture can catch someone's gaze from across the street. Antique furniture. Vintage jewelry is already a popular item. Add the value of age, it's common sense. Costume jewelry is always a great seller at garage sales, and it makes sense. Pieces are often unique and personal, and if you're drawn to the jewelry section at all, you're probably going to explore and find a piece that speaks to you. Antique jewelry can be quite valuable, of course, but it can also serve as a statement piece, especially when coupled with something simple that lets the jewelry be the star of the show, like a little black dress. It's no surprise that these pieces are consistently popular finds. Antique books. There's always something magical about books at a garage sale. The pages certainly hold the stories and knowledge of the text, but their ruffled imperfections also hold evidence of the journeys other people have taken from cover to cover. And when other people's annotations give you a peek into their reading experience, chef's kiss. Antique books have an even stronger magic about them, from their visibly longer journey on this earth to the greater number of persons they visited. It's again no wonder that antique books tend to sell well and quickly. If nothing else, they look fantastic displayed on an equally antique bookshelf. Of course, no list of best-selling garage sale antiques will be exhaustive, since a lot of visitors' favorite items are seemingly random finds. Antique toys, postcards, watches, or art, there will always be someone ready to take it home. Whether you're buying or selling, embrace the spirit of serendipity and long live the garage sale.